Why does your stomach rumble like a storm when you're hungry? Your stomach growls because of borborygmi, a fancy word for digestive muscle contractions. Even when empty, your stomach and intestines keep moving, making those sounds louder without food to muffle them. Plus, your brain releases a hunger hormone called ghrelin, ramping up those muscle movements and digestive juices. Add a bit of gas and digestive fluids into the mix, and voila, an orchestra in your belly. To tone down the noise, try eating small, frequent meals, staying hydrated, and avoiding gassy foods. So next time your stomach growls, you'll know it's just your body doing its thing.